Hi guys, everyone. The corporation Stellantis has taken a liking to the idea of a car in a box from the Swedish startup Luvly. This format could shape the next generation of urban electric quadricycles like the Citroën Ami, Fiat Topolino, and Opel Rocks. The Stockholm-based startup Luvly was founded in the year 2015 by Swedish entrepreneur Hokan Lutz. He aims to offer the world an affordable urban electric vehicle in a distinctly Swedish style, which in this case means not only minimalist design but also ease of assembly, reminiscent of IKEA furniture. The name Luvly resembles the English word lovely, which can be translated as charming, and incorporates the acronym LOVE, Light Urban Vehicle. The debut model will be the Luvly O, a two-seater enclosed electric car, though its construction principles could be extended to other body types. The Luvly O, measuring 2.7 meters in length and weighing less than 400 kilograms, can carry 2 passengers and luggage of up to 267 liters. The chassis of the Luvly O is based on a panel frame capsule made of extruded aluminum profiles, to which composite sandwich panels are attached. Passive safety is ensured by energy-absorbing blocks borrowed from motorsport, layered together like a sandwich. All assembly components including the motor, suspension, wheels, interior fittings, and exterior body panels are packed into a box and can be shipped anywhere in the world for assembly at rapidly deployable microfactories. A standard 6-meter European shipping container can hold 20 boxes containing Luvly O kits, making the packaging highly compact. The Luvly O's battery consists of 2 removable modules with a combined capacity of 6.5 kilowatt-hours. Installed under the seats, they can be charged at home, providing a range of approximately 100 kilometers per full charge. While the motor's power remains undisclosed, the top speed is kept at 90 kilometers per hour. The starting price is €10,000. Though Luvly has not announced a release date, it is currently in the process of raising investment capital to launch pilot production. Recently, Hokan Lutz told Zag Daily that his company has signed a 1-year partnership with Stellantis. The corporation is intrigued by the Luvly O's design and aims to evaluate its efficiency and potential to reduce costs for next-generation electric quadricycles. Current models like the Citroën Ami, Fiat Topolino, and Opel Rocks, despite their rather rudimentary design, are produced using traditional assembly line methods at Stellantis factory in Kenitra, Morocco. The corporation is now exploring ways to lower production costs and logistics expenses. Whether Stellantis adopts Luvly's technology will become clear within a year. It's worth noting that the urban electric quadricycle segment in Europe is currently on the rise, partly due to regulations in several countries allowing teenagers to drive such vehicles at speeds not exceeding 45 km per hour. Additionally, purchasing a quadricycle outright is not necessary. They can be rented, making them an affordable all-weather transportation option with minimal amenities. Alongside Stellantis, major players like Renault, with the Mobilize Duo and Bento, and Toyota, which recently unveiled the 2-seater FT-Me prototype, are entering this market. Thank you all for watching, and like and subscribe to my channel, my favorite pirates.